Finally guys, this is the Tecno Camon 20 and this is the Itel S23 Plus. Which one of these phones should you buy if you are considering one of them? Before I begin, I want to make sure that you have clicked the like button on this video, and if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now so you don't miss any of my future videos. Starting with the price, the Itel S23 Plus is currently around 170,000 naira, while the Camon 20 is about 200,000 naira on Jumia. I guess Jumia and Tecno are in their Black Friday promo week. This means that you can get the Camon 20 for as low as 171,000 naira if you use the link in the description of this video before the end of the promo. I will talk about the three main features that these phones have in common, but before then, there is something I'm asking you to do. Clear your mind of every bias. Make it empty for the sake of this review. If I were to watch this video on YouTube, I would favor the Tecno Camon 20 over the Itel S23 Plus because Itel has disappointed us in the past. So let's put those disappointments behind us and focus on the present reality. These are the three major things that the Tecno Camon 20 and the S23 Plus have in common. The first one is their in-display fingerprint scanner. Itel for the first time managed to design a responsive in-display scanner. Although both fingerprint scanner responds fast, the S23 Plus surprisingly responds faster. Still on their display, their second similarity is their AMOLED display panel. Again, this is the first time Itel used this display panel on their device, and we expect to see more of their devices with AMOLED display in the future. Their last similarity is a combination of minor features. Both phones are built on Android 13 and comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Even their storage spaces is the same, 256 GB of internal storage and up to 16 GB of extended RAM. Before I talk about their differences, seriously, we have to commend Itel. They could have made the Itel S23 Plus to be in the same range as the Tecno Spark 10 series, but they went for the Tecno Camon 20. What a nice move. Now, both phones have more than a few differences. In most cases, the Camon 20 is better. The two major aspects of the S23 Plus that are better than the Camon 20 are the curved display and dynamic bar feature. Only the S23 Plus has these two features. The first major difference is their processor. Camon 20 is powered by Helio G85 processor. This processor is only better than the Unisoc T606, which powers the S23 Plus in gaming. Aside from the gaming capacity of the Helio G85, it is rated at the same level as the T606. Does this mean that the Itel S23 Plus is bad because it has a slightly weaker processor? No, it is not. Consider the Itel S23 with even lesser processor. It doesn't lag or overheat. So it is safe to conclude that the S23 Plus has a good budget level processor. Now, their second difference is their cameras. By specification, the Camon 20 with a 64 megapixel main camera is better. But surprisingly, the 50 megapixel camera of the Itel S23 Plus takes nicer shots. In one of my previous videos where I did a comparison of the Itel S23 Plus and the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, a lot of my viewers argued when I said that the camera of the Itel S23 Plus is better. They thought that I did some kind of tricks, or probably Itel paid me. So in this video, I cleaned both cameras to ensure that there is no dirt in their glass protector. Then I turned on the camera watermark to remove any argument. The S23 Plus has two advantages here. First, it pops out colors better. And second, it is able to focus on very near objects better than the Camon 20. As for their 32 megapixel selfie camera, Camon 20 does a better job here, and you can clearly see that. Finally, their design. The Camon 20 looks finer, but the S23 Plus has a user-friendly design. It is so sleek with steep edges, making it comfortable to hold. You won't even feel the edges in your palm as you would if you hold the Camon 20. For my preference, the design of the S23 Plus is better. I do not believe that the look of a design and the position of the camera modules alone is enough to assess a design. So between the Tecno Camon 20 and the Itel S23 Plus, which one is better? Are you waiting to hear the answer from me? Your plan will not work. You want me to say that the Itel S23 Plus is better so that Tecno fans will come after me. I can never say that the Itel S23 Plus is better. Never. If you know, you know. This video will take you to the review of the Tecno Camon 20, and this video will take you to the review of the Itel S23 Plus. Check out the link in the description just in case you intend to buy any of these phones, and I will see you in my next video.